I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by exposing the failure and cleaning the surface thoroughly so the tape bonds. Once done, measure the run and cut a length with 20 to 30% extra because you will stretch it. Make sure to wear gloves to avoid contaminating the adhesive layer and position a heat source like a hair dryer nearby. Start the wrap at a stable anchor point. Hold tension immediately so the first pass sets the profile and creates a base for additional layers. You now stretch the tape as you wrap, typically 30 to 50%, because tension is what causes the layers to fuse into a single rubberized mass. As you go, overlap each turn by 1/2 to 3/4 to build thickness and prevent leaks. Once wrapped, press each layer firmly with your fingers or a roller. This forces contact and eliminates air. If needed, apply gentle heat to accelerate fusion, but avoid excessive heat that could deform the substrate. You finish by tucking the tape end under the last wrap and pressing the seam solidly so it won't unravel. Once done, let the joint bond. Initial tack occurs within 10 to 60 minutes, while full mechanical strength develops over hours depending on temperature. If you see continued leakage or slippage, remove the tape, clean the surface again, and rewrap with higher stretch and greater overlap. A common troubleshooting tip: inadequate tension or oily surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.